Sipiika w'olukiiko olukulu mu ggwanga Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga asuubizza okuyisa etteeka erikuuma eddembe lya bannamateeka bwe baba bawozesa emisango gya nnaggomola nga kiteeberezebwa nti obulamu bwabwe bubeera mu matigga. Kino kiddiridde bannamateeka okusaba Sipiika Kadaga okubayamba okuyisa etteeka erinaakuuma eddembe lyabwe era nga bannamateeka bangi abattiddwa olw'ebbula ly'etteeka lino.
In Parliament, there has been a problem on issues of procedure of how to enforce human rights, and the courts have been rather confused on what procedure to adopt. The Constitutional Court declared the rules unconstitutional and said it's only Parliament that must make those rules.
Concerning the enforcement of human rights bill, I doubt whether it will be done before Christmas.
Yes.
I'm looking at the third meeting, January, February. Because at the moment we are handling the leadership code and a few other areas, but certainly I will take an interest and make sure that it's done.
Omulamuzi omukulu Yorokamu Bamwine atabukidde bannamateeka abagufudde omuze okusaba abalamuzi okwongerayo emisango nga kye kisinze okulemeza emisango mu kkooti anti bapuliida baba tebaagala kukola.
They are like cancer patients. And most of their judgments are at your instance. You lawyers, especially the old ones, they over 65. I'm sorry, but the young ones, but the old ones will come to court just to apply for a judgment. This culture must stop. Show interest in your clients' cases.
Okusinziira ku Francis Gimara, bannamateeka basusse okulya enguzi nga kyonoonye ekifaananyi kyabwe eri abantu ne babajjamu obwesigwa.
We the lawyers are threatening our own existence through some of the practices that we are doing, and we've got to have an open conversation. How do we rekindle ethical legal practice? Because the day the public brands us as people who are unethical, we all lose. And when we lose, the country loses. And the rule of law loses. And we ultimately lose out as a civilized lot of people. So we should never be at the point where we cede our profession to a few people, very few, I must say, who are practicing unethically.
Bino bibaddewo ng'ekibiina kya bannamateeka ekya Uganda Law Society kijaguza emyaka 6 ng'omukolo guno gujjiddwako akawuwo Sipiika wa Paalamenti Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga n'okukumba okuva kwa Acacia Avenue awali ofiisi zaabwe enkulu okutuuka ku kkooti enkulu. Grace Nantale Kakoza, Eka Cronald, KTV Amalindirire.